In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open chat history in a new tab in Grok. If you've ever wanted to compare conversations side by side or keep a past chat handy while you work on something new, opening a chat in a separate browser tab is a simple way to stay organized. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step, with a few helpful tips to make it smooth. First, open your web browser and go to the Grok website. Make sure you're signed in so your chats are available. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel there. Click on History. This is the place where all of your previous conversations are listed, usually with a title or a short preview and a timestamp, so it's easy to recognize the one you need. After you click History, take a moment to scroll through the list and find the specific chat you want. When you've found it, move your mouse cursor directly over that chat item. As you hover, you should see an option appear to open it in a new tab. Depending on your interface, this may look like a small icon next to the chat title or a clear label that says New Tab. The key here is to hover on the chat itself, not the empty space around it, so that the option becomes visible. Now, click New Tab. Your browser will instantly open that conversation in a separate tab at the top of your window. You can switch between tabs to reference different chats without losing your place. This is especially useful if you're reviewing past answers while drafting a new prompt, or if you're working across multiple topics at the same time. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the New Tab option, try hovering right over the chat title or icon, and make sure your browser window is wide enough so the control isn't hidden. If clicking doesn't open a new tab, check that your browser isn't blocking new tabs, or that you don't have extensions interfering with tab behavior. Also, give the page a moment to load if your connection is slow. That's all there is to it. Go to the Grok website, click History on the left, find the conversation you want, hover over it, and click New Tab. With this simple workflow, you can keep your research tidy, cross-check information quickly, and maintain focus without constantly navigating back and forth. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized chat experience.